cheers to my first time to Iceland and our first time to the Faroe Islands together.
Cheers, cheers. Hey everyone, the Beard Baron here, heading to Reykjavik, Iceland tonight at the airport, Logan International here. Been at the airport for a couple of hours now, we're heading out. Excited about this one. It's a tricky flight. It's about a 6:20 p.m., 5.5 hour flight or so. We're gonna get there probably midnight. We're gonna be awake the whole time. It's a very, very long day. We did this trip last year. We're out there, gonna be shooting some product for November, December. Private stock, brand new private stock. You guys are gonna be pumped about this one. I'm really excited about this one. And plan for tonight is just get on board. Got the Pringles, got the Smart Water, got everything all fired up. And we're gonna try and catch the sunrise tomorrow morning. We're not checking into our apartment till 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so we have some time to kill. We got the drone packed, it's in the bag. Hopefully get up in flight. Weather's looking great, sunny, low winds. We got a nice little spot picked out for us. Thanks to Gigi behind the camera, she's got it all figured out for us. This is Gigi's third time in the past year going, so we really like Iceland, and the best part is we're only there in Iceland for a few days, and then we're going to the Faroe Islands, having a great time, things planned. Okay, so we got the world's loudest trash can, and the announcements and beeping. Who knows what's going on here? Hey, welcome to Boston Logan International Airport. Fine facility, Terminal E. Is the VCR taping us now? In addition to Reykjavik, we're going to be there for 4 days, 4 full days. We've got a whole bunch of stuff planned, a bunch of road trips. I love driving, especially internationally. But we're heading to the Faroe Islands after these people with the announcements. They're killing. Oh, there's Duty. I see Duty.
We're going to the Faroe Islands.
We're going to the Faroe Islands. Yeah, you want to... I don't even know what they're trying to announce right now. Okay, here we...
Actually, I think we're boarding.
Reykjavik. Very cold outside. I mean, I thought Palm Springs was cold. This place is much colder. Just trying to grab some breakfast.
We're not trying, we're doing.
We are doing
coffee.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Iceland.
Super hot. Everything in Iceland is super duper hot.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Serve it nice and fresh.
Nice and fresh.
Fresher.
Already they're taking pictures this morning. Already flew the drone this morning too. I slept for maybe 1 hour on the plane, which is a world record for me. So in our time, in our heads right now, it's like 1 a.m.
2 a.m.
Yeah, so 1 hour sleep. Gonna go muscle this whole day, get work done, pictures, and get settled. Video. Get settled in the apartment. So just have breakfast, the truck, eggs and bacon. The Gray Cat, is this the name of the place?
Yep.
Might recommend. Yeah. Yesterday was kind of a bust. We're on day 2. We were supposed to go out and get all this stuff done, but jet lag got the best of us. Played cards, we didn't get much further than that. We did go out and try and get tattoos for everyone, but that kind of fell through too. We're going to try and maybe go back tomorrow. So today's a new day, brand new day, heading out to Vik on the southern coast here of Iceland. We're about half hour into on a little trip here, stopping to get some waters. We're not really that well stocked up at all, so we're just trying to get some things and some last minute stuff before we head down. Got a bunch of stuff going on today, shooting product, drone, pictures, bunch of stuff is packed in the car. I have a suitcase packed in there. We do some hiking. Hopefully we can get up to the downed plain out there. It's gonna be a decent hike as well, so we're just kind of doing a whole bunch today with a full day. Hopefully see the northern lights tonight, and yeah, we're looking forward to it. Let's get after it right now. Let's go, this one.
Where are we?
Oh, we're in Iceland?
No, bonus.
Oh, we're at bonus.
Bonus.
Yeah, bonus. And this week's newest bonus employee is me. Done deal. All your grocery needs are here met. The great country of Iceland. Bonus can be found all over the island. Friendly people, friendly faces. And that's a show. So here's another little issue of eating in public is, what do you do with a donut? This is a disaster if I was going to try and take a bite out of this thing, so it's a good old fork and knife for me. Looks a little bit more dignified, I guess. People will raise an eyebrow, be like, oh, well, and I'm always like, well, how do you eat yours? With your hands?
Yeah, I do.
Hole of opportunity. It does taste pink.
No, it tastes like strawberry.
It tastes like strawberry chapstick. There's people out on the beach right now. They're on the ice. A little bit of craziness. The ice wasn't that strong, but there are people out there, so I'm gonna go buzz them with the drone. We'll fly right over them. Sit in the car, nice and warm in here. So let's see how we can do this here. I'll throw up on the screen for you. Here I am, we're at Skogafoss, trying to shoot some product photography. Just got here, so kind of just going to lay the land of what can work. Dealing with a little bit of a tricky sun because it's directly behind us, lined up exactly with the falls. So any kind of photos of product, I'm almost creating my own shadow. So I'm trying to find a spot where I can get a tripod mounted, I can get out of the shot, take the shots, take a little video, and just make this thing work. So I'm just kind of doing a little location scouting really quick. So we don't have much time here because we're going for a hike down the coast a little bit, so we only have about 20 minutes or half an hour for me to really figure this out. So I'm going to get to it, shoot this and get it done. Alright, so we're heading to the plane crash right now. It's about a 2-kilometer hike out towards the ocean. There's quite a few amount of people here who have the same idea we do. Everyone survived a plane crash. This was decades ago, so it's a really interesting photo op, video op, drone op, and should be a nice little hike. It's still pretty cold out, but we're well equipped. We're ready for this, and good fresh air today. The sun's gorgeous, very clear sky today, and we're going to go take you guys out there. So let's go.
So glad we got that on camera.
So we made it to the plane, flew the drone around, and I'm sure if you saw, took my first propeller hit. That was the first time ever. I fly pretty reckless, so I'm actually very surprised that it took until today for me to actually do that. I lost one major propeller and the other one was kind of dinged too. Luckily I had a group of 6 extra propellers with me in my bag, not in the car, so I was able to fly and get some more footage. All in all, it was a great time down here. A lot of people are here even though it is the middle of winter, but none of us made it onto the top of the plane. It's early on in the trip. I don't want to have someone get a fall or myself and end up, you know, hobbled for the rest of the trip. So, great time flying. The propellers are gone, done, and everyone's safe. That's the key.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun. It's really cold though. It's getting colder by the second. The sun is going to go down a little bit. 2-kilometer walk is a pretty good walk out here. So, good time. I'm glad we did it, and we're heading back now. Onward to Vik, Southern Iceland.